In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily replace the lens on your Hey, if you're getting some value out of today's video, why not hit that subscribe button? I've got heaps of other great GoPro related tips and tricks on this channel.
Alright, it's a beautiful summer day down here at Seven Park here in Adelaide, and we're going to now test out vision under the water by using the GoPro Hero 9 replacement lens. And we're going to just show you how awesome this lens is at repelling water when it comes out of the water, so you won't have those water droplets on there afterwards, which kind of ruins your footage. Okay, let's go under the water. Alright, that is pretty remarkable. I've just ripped it out of the water right now, and the vision that you're seeing of me is without having wiped the lens or done anything to the lens at all. It's all gone. That is absolutely fantastic.
So as you can see, the GoPro protective replacement lens makes a world of difference to your GoPro footage. If you love GoPros as much as I do, you might want to stick around and check out this other video over here next. It's got lots of other awesome tips and tricks that I'm sure you'll find helpful. As always, thanks for your company, and until next time, see you later.